How to turn off McAfee Antivirus. On Windows. Step 1. Open the antivirus application on your computer. Step 2. To disable, go to the left sidebar and click the 3 lines. Step 3. Select the My Protection option. Step 4. Select Real-Time Scanning. Step 5. Click the Turn Off button. Step 6. Select when you want to turn it back on, then click Turn Off. Step 7. Close the antivirus program. On Mac. Step 1. Click the McAfee icon on the top right side of the menu bar. Step 2. Click on your product name to open. Step 3. Click the gear icon on the upper right side of the screen. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Real-Time Scanning. Step 5. Turn off the real-time scanning toggle, click the lock icon and enter the password when prompted to proceed. Step 6. Once done, close the real-time scanning window. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.